Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. Welcome to this step-by-step tutorial on replacing the LCD cover on the Dell P130G laptop. Before we start, make sure you have the following tools ready: a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic spudger, and an anti-static wrist strap. Let's dive right in. First, power off your laptop and unplug it from any power source. It's essential to handle electronic devices safely. If you don't have the tools, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home, so you don't need to worry about traveling or making calls to find help. Next, flip the laptop over and locate the screws holding the base cover in place. There are usually about 4 to 6 screws, depending on your model. Carefully remove these screws using the Phillips screwdriver and set them aside in a small container to avoid losing them. Once the screws are out, use the plastic spudger to pry open the base cover. Be gentle during this process to avoid damaging the clips that hold the cover in place. Run the spudger along the edges to release the clips. After you hear a few clicks, you should be able to lift the cover off easily. Remember to clean any dust inside using a can of compressed air for better performance in the future. Now, we will locate the LCD cover. This is typically secured by more screws and possibly some adhesive. Carefully remove the screws that hold the LCD cover. Keep in mind the placement of each screw, as they may be different sizes. If you're unsure, take a photo for reference. With the screws removed, gently lift the LCD cover from one edge. If you encounter resistance, double-check for any additional screws or adhesive that might still be holding it in place. Once the old cover is removed, take a moment to clean the area around the LCD with a microfiber cloth. Now it's time to install the new LCD cover. Align it carefully with the hinges and press it into place. Make sure it fits snugly. If you need assistance, we offer professional diagnosis without obligation. Our experts can help you out. Once the cover is in position, reinsert the screws you removed earlier. This is where having taken a photo of the screw layout will come in handy. Tighten each screw securely, but avoid over-tightening as this could damage the cover or the screen. After securing the LCD cover, replace the base cover by aligning it properly. Start pressing down along the edges until you hear the clips click back into place. Finally, reinsert the screws you initially removed from the base cover. Before finishing up, double-check that everything is secure and that no screws are left over. If you need a quote before repair or any assistance, don't hesitate to contact us. We're here to help with no calls or travel required. Power on your laptop to ensure everything is functioning correctly and that the new LCD cover fits well. Congratulations! You've successfully replaced the LCD cover on your Dell P130G. If you found this tutorial helpful, consider subscribing for more tech guides. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.